Yeah, take a picture.
Oh my God.
That's one of the scoots in the plate.
One of them is, that is a big sample. That's the eating kind.
Good eating.
What? Oh, that's a big old.
Yeah, man. It's good.
Beautiful.
Okay. Yeah, man.
Ah, beautiful. Beautiful.
Beautiful. Gotcha.
Beautiful. There you go. Well, I appreciate you teaching me, man. I really appreciate you teaching me. It was really good fishing. What's your name?
You know how to fish for them now.
Yeah, I know how to fish for them, and they're delicious. My son loves them, man.
Right.
And I've seen people catch them, but I never target them, really target them.
Right.
But let me show the folks that how it's done. How you cook. How you look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. I mean, look at that. Look at that.
Man.
Look at the cooler.
Yeah.
Hey.
I got some friend I got to give.
Yes, sir. All right, appreciate it, bud. What's your name again? Oh. Hey, nice to meet you. My name is Alex. Some people call me Vetmar. Okay, buddy. All right, guys. First fish of the day, guys, and it happens to be a flounder. It's got a nice big mouth. Right on the side of the mouth right here. I got a nice big old snapper. Nice mangrove, man. It's been a little while since I got one of these. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alex. People call me Vetmar. Man, so I'm back at the saltwater, man. Back out doing what I love to do, which is fishing the bridges, jetties, inshore, beach, why not? So I decided to come out here to my favorite bait shop, just the fishing center here, and picked up a couple of 4-inch shrimp actually from DOA. I just figured the color looks good. And I also got a couple of thumper shrimps already, green color. And you guys all already know, if you guys are around town, man, coming down here and by Fort Pierce, come check out the fishing center. They got the new visors, man. Oh, they're beautiful. Look at that. Gotta cut me one of those. And got some pinfish. I'm gonna try my luck with some pinfish today and some artificial shrimp. I gotta give a big shout out to my neighbor Kevin. He recently hooked me up with some rods made by JYG, and awesome, great guy, man. Not only my neighbor but my friend, and he wanted me to try them out. He has some leftover rods there, and which are new. One of them was missing a tip. I just replaced the tip, and I'm gonna be able to use them. And right now, Captain Riley is the tip I was telling you about. He just added a tip to it. If you guys gonna bring your rods, you alright need some tips or whatever little bit of help you need, maybe changing your line. This is the place. This is the place. I highly recommend it. Let them know that Vetmar sent you. I mean, he's always hooking me up, always helping me out, and selection of costas and hats. I mean, fishing cards. I mean, it's a complete full bait shop, guys. That being said, guys, we're gonna try to get onto some snook today. If lucky enough, some pompano. Just out here, man. Not really planned, just but I know I've heard and I've seen a couple of friends send me some videos of snook destroying the pinfish and some artificial. So that's what I'm gonna try. So I gotta see you in the jetty, guys. Appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to subscribe, Dax. Let them know. Appreciate it, guys. All right, guys. First fish of the day, guys, and it happens to be a flounder. And I caught him with the DOA 3-inch paddle tail. Look at that. Little baby flounder. That was the first cast too. I just didn't show it because I didn't think I was gonna catch anything. And on the first cast, guys, so I didn't even know he was hooked. All right, guys. That's a good little catch, and that's what we came for, man, to see what's out here. No plans, no nothing. Haven't been doing a lot of saltwater fishing. And, you know, it's time for me to get out here again. The crappies bite slowed down by the lake, Nokechovi. Can't believe that I had no idea the diamond I had, the precious gift that I had over there where I lived. For a couple of years, I never fished the lake until like 3 years, 2.5 years ago. And man, you know, you learn to fall in love with it, you know. So I'm just working it real slow, dragging it on the bottom, bouncing it. See if get another nice little flounder bite. All right, guys, let's see if we catch another one. All right. What do you got, Cuba? What do you got? Don't lose them. Don't lose them. Grouper. Let's see what it is. It may be a cubera, a big cubera, or a grouper.
A grouper.
Se metió la piedra, It's in the rock.
Porque yo he sacado muchos grupos en estos días aquí.
Se metió la piedra ahí.
Ya salió.
Okay, there you go.
Whoa!
Ah, Goliath, baby Goliath. Oh man, we were hoping it was a cubera. Oh well, man. Yeah. Nice little setup he got here. But it's the baby Goliath, formerly known as the Jewfish. Name was changed 2001, but people still, you know him as Jewfish or Goliath. But yeah, man. Oh well. Let's keep on fishing, guys. See if we can. There it is. See if we can catch some sand perch for a snook, and the bigger ones to keep. My little boy loves some sand perch, man. That's a nice Goliath there. It's it's about 30 inches. There you go. Come on. Oh my God.
That's one of the schools in the plate.
One of them is, that is a big samper. That's the eating kind.
Good eating.
What? Oh, that's a big old.
Yeah, man. It's good.
Beautiful.
Okay. Yeah, man.
Ah, beautiful.
Beautiful. Gotcha.
Beautiful. Yeah.
Got it?
Yes.
Watch it down.
Shrimp.
I got to keep an eye on this guy.
Yes.
Yeah, pretty.
don't want it. Bait, carnada. Another giant. Look at that. Mm-hmm. You have pliers? Gonna bend it back. Thank you. Look at that. So big. Can't stay away from the crappie. Catching saltwater crappie now. Oh boy. You catching the big ones though, man. You catching the big ones. Yeah.
Oh, that one.
That was nice. Oh! Oh no! Oh! Oh! Hey, you got it finally, and a big one too. Show it over here. Show it over here. How big it is.
The size. That's a nice one.
Yeah. Woo! Double. Hey. Fat. Fat. delicious fish. Snook bait. Snook bait.
Snook bait.
Hell yeah. Double. There you go. Well, I appreciate you teaching me, man. I really appreciate you teaching me.
Man.
It was really good fishing. What's your name?
You know how to fish for them now.
Yeah, I know how to fish for them, and they're delicious. My son loves them, man.
Right.
And I've seen people catch them, but I never target them, really target them.
Right.
But let me show the folks that
Yeah, man.
how it's done. How you cook. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. I mean, look at that. Look at that.
Man.
Look at the cooler.
Yeah.
Hey.
I got some friend I got to give.
Yes, sir. All right, appreciate it, bud. What's your name again?
Or.
Hey, nice to meet you. My name is Alex. Some people call me Vetmar.
Okay.
Hey,
You
buddy.
like my neighbor, man.
Yeah.
You look just like my neighbor.
Yeah. Well, I have a neighbor that's Jamaican behind me that looks just like you.
Yeah.
I swear to God. All right, buddy. Have a good one, man. Keep catching. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try to catch something else now.
Okay.
All right, guys. Let me pick up my trash, my bag, and I didn't do it by myself, thanks to him. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Oh yeah, it's awesome. Plenty of food, table fare, huh? All right. Go ahead and take the spot, bro.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome, man. Catch him up. Yes, sir. All right, well, let me put this fish in the cooler and go ahead and try to target snook now. And he's okay. He's okay. You're okay, buddy. You're okay. Be careful now. There you go. So, put them away. And man, at least I got dinner, man. Plenty of for the weekend.
You done?
For this, yeah, I'm gonna catch snook now. Llevo como 15.
Nah.
Yeah. I got like 15 maybe. So I have. It almost felt like I was catching crappie again, guys. It's funny. It is funny, guys. Yes, how's that, buddy?
You know how to? I had took this out because like it was really kind of like rusty. I didn't bring my new rod. This is my rod I've been using for years. Do you know, like, see, like it's not like like twisting right there. I'm just trying to put the reel back.
Damn.
And it looked like it's kind of stuck, so I tried to take the pliers and just take it all out.
Yeah.
But that's gonna make me so mad.
Yeah,
That's
dude.
the only reel I got too.
Yeah.
You want me to do a live bullet in there?
No, but
Aw, damn.
that's it.
Dead one.
You got some dead ones?
Huh?
You got some dead ones? You don't want dead ones? Let me get one or at least half of one.
Figure, I bought them at the Brooks.
Yo, you bought them out, dude. Why you buy your mullet for? They're running, dude. They're running. No, dude.
You gotta open the bag.
I'll take one, but I don't want to take them out that you bought, bro. Because right now with the slack tide, we might be able to catch a big ass snapper or bear or something. Yeah.
I'm trying to go for like partners. Look.
I know, but the dead bait is harder for them.
Yeah.
You know? Shit. But I use one. No, I just need one, bro. I just need one. Cause I got some big ass beanies. You should have told me I had big ass beanies there. Sure, you didn't have to buy this, bro. See, look.
Oh damn.
You ain't gotta buy no mullet, man. Next time, just let me know. You know what I mean? Before you go. You go, bud. They catch a bunch of mojaras though for dinner, which is awesome. Sand perch.
Yeah.
You know?
I'll try to see whatever.
Yeah, bro. Something will hit it. Look at this big. Guys, I'm here, and it looks like the beach is finally done. So looks looking good. Hopefully now a little bit of the water will get more clear, you know, now that they stopped working on it. A couple of days ago I came by and the water was like chocolate milk. The fish were still biting though, but the water was just terrible. Pompano were definitely not around. I mean, you know, I heard people catching one or two, you know, but nothing to write home about. So let's check it out. Let's see what our luck brings today, man. Like I said, I got the pinfish, I got some artificial shrimp, and hoping for a good day. I got a few hours before I have to go back home. So let's get on with it, man. Let's try it out. Let's give it a shot. Let's get it. But guess what? We finally stopped working on the beach. The beach is finally done. And from a couple of days from now, now the sargassum shows up. All that seaweed, sargassum shows up, man. Look at that. Would you believe that? It's never ending, man. I can't wait for a good clear day, man, where the water is crystal blue, like in some of my videos. It's been a good while since I've seen that. And all the greenies running around and a bunch of bait. So hopefully in a couple of weeks maybe that'll happen, man. All right, guys, first bait going out. Pinfish, about 3-4 foot a leader, split shot. Let's see if we get lucky. Let's see, guys. I gotta get a longer cast than that. All right. There we go. Much better, much better. Like I said before, man, just trying to see if we can catch a snook maybe. In a bit, I'm gonna try for some pompano with some jigs. I'm gonna throw a few casts, a few pinfish out for about half an hour. If nothing hits them, I'm gonna save the rest and just try with some jigging, some artificial shrimp, some goofy jigs. My friend over there says to me he got some bait. He got some big greenies and mullet. Good guy over there. But yeah, man, let's see what happens, guys. I'll crank the camera back on if I get hooked up. Because when it's a pinfish, it takes a little longer, you know, unless they're like really active, which is almost on top of the high tide. Like I call it the tip of the high tide, you know. But about an hour more and it'll be the tip, and then it's gonna start changing. But let's see what happens, guys. ¡Trae la cámara! Cuba, trae la cámara. All right, guys. First snook of the day, guys. Nice specimen here, guys. Not a keeper, I don't think, but a good fish, man, for sure. Oh, there you go. It's probably like 26, 27, maybe. Get the net so I don't hurt him. You be able to reach him? It's not that big.
Yeah, you can roll that.
But still, we could be netted be better, you know. Thank you, bud. Fun little fish.
Eat one.
I know, right?
4 inches.
If you could.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah, so gonna measure him real quick and let him go, guys. I try to take like 1 minute. Keep him out of the water for like 1 minute, not past 1 minute, you know. So I have like an internal clock in my head, but I like to measure him just to keep track of them. I don't know, it's just something I like to do and show you guys. It's got a nice big mouth right on the side of the mouth right here, and it's a little baby. He's about 24 inches. He's going back in the water. Throw him on this side, and right there. Boom. Right there. Pretty good first little catch. Now we're trying to get that big one. Let me check if my my line got frayed out and not have to change it, but it looks good. Don't feel bad at all. And so let's get for another pinfish on there, guys, and try it again. That wasn't the biggest fish in the world, but nevertheless it was a good fish. Oh, yeah, man, this pinfish, this was called pinfish for a reason. Oh, it just done stung me. I got him. I got a good grip on him now. I like to do from the bottom of the mouth to the top like that.
Let's move.
And so that's the way I like to do it. Some people do it through the nose. Some people do it through the anal fin. I like to open the mouth, put it inside the mouth, up to the top of the roof of the mouth. I just feel like it can breathe better. I don't know, for some reason. Or pass water through his gills. All right, second finfish, or third finfish actually. All right, let's see what happens, guys. I'm gonna keep it rolling, see if I can get hooked up while we're on filming. That'll be definitely a nice make for some nice footage, huh? Guys, I appreciate you guys watching my videos, man. I catch all kinds of fish. Doesn't really matter. I don't really go for size or species. I just like to fish. I like to catch whatever I can catch. There's times I actually just go target dinner fish, like a smaller eating fish, you know. So, but today we'll see what happens. A couple of days ago, as you see on the video, on my last video, I just didn't even worry about the snook, even though they were biting. I just kept having fun with those sand perch with my Jamaican buddy I met. Kind of was teaching me. He was just hooking up on doubles every time. He must have had half a cooler, man, of mojaves of sand perch throughout the time I was there with him. It's crazy. He must have had like 30, 40 fish. I caught myself like 20 fish, and the whole time I kept thinking about crappie. Same size, they fight the same, but to me, obviously, sand perch tastes a lot better than crappie. No offense to my freshwater guys. Just a personal preference. Alright, let's see. I'm cast again. I'm gonna turn the camera back in a little bit, guys. Let's see if we get. Alright, guys. Nice big old snapper. I got a nice big old snapper. Nice mangrove, man. It's been a little while since I got one of these big mangroves. Favorite fish to eat. Definitely favorite fish to eat.